Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Shasha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Kingdom Hearts Oathkeeper tarot card necklace. Gosh, that's a mouthful. Now, I know that the tarot card mold came from the January box, but I wanted to use it in this instance because I was actually asked by my lovely friend Ashley to make a magical girl themed tarot card necklace. And I thought when I got the Kingdom Hearts box, I thought this would be absolutely perfect. Plus, she's a massive Kingdom Hearts fan, so it all works out great. Now, this glitter from LRISY, oh my goodness, it is so gorgeous. If you haven't already seen my glitter haul from them, make sure you definitely do check it out. And I will also leave a discount in the description box below for you. So what I'm doing here is I'm mixing together a nice sort of peachy pink color. Ashley is obsessed with pink and yellow. So I had to definitely use those colors. And look, I mean, come on, just look at that gorgeous iridescence there. Oh my goodness. So with the yellow, I just put in just a normal sort of white iridescent glitter. And yeah, it just looks beautiful. I'm going to let you just enjoy this moment. So I do use my larger lamp to cure this piece. I cured it for about 5 minutes and oh my goodness, look at that shine. Oh my gosh, don't worry, the front of it gets really shiny as well, but obviously I have to dome it because it's a matte mold. But oh girl, it is gorgeous. So now these are the holographic films that came inside of the tarot box for January. They don't actually fit. Okay, so you are going to have to trim that holographic edge. Be careful though, because you don't want to trim it all off, but just trim it by half and then it should fit down there nicely. Next, I'm using some more UV resin to dome the back and then very carefully placing the film on the top. And then I said some prayers, girl, trust me, because I was so scared that I was going to get like a big fat air bubble right underneath it. But luckily, nothing happened. It came out absolutely perfect and I was just so happy. Look at how gorgeous that this is. Oh my gosh. Next, I then domed over that with some more UV resin. Again, I said a little prayer and yeah, luckily it turned out absolutely fine and I absolutely love the finish on this. That resin there, the one with the pink bottle, that one is definitely my favorite. So next I'm using what I thought was acrylic paint from Arteza, but it wasn't. It was actually fabric paint. I didn't realize that I was using fabric paint until I started editing this video. So there you go. And that acted as kind of like a sort of glue for the brilliant sparkly silver glitter that I used on top of that. So before it dried, I sprinkled that on the top, and then when it dried it just sort of stuck there, and then I was able to dome over that with resin. I just thought that if I used glittery resin, it probably would have like started to spill out of the cavities and it wouldn't have looked as neat. So I thought it was worth taking my time doing this. Now, if you're thinking, hang on a second, girl, there is definitely some more glitter there. That is very true. I found that the black backing on the holographic film was a bit too distracting, so I wanted to cover it over with some more iridescent glitter. Any excuse, right? So next, I'm attaching on one of the Kingdom Hearts logos to the bottom of the tarot card. This is normally where you would put like what tarot card it actually is. And I just thought it just fitted absolutely perfectly. Then it was time for me to make the Oathkeeper key. Now, there is some detail in these molds, I'm telling you. And yeah, I wanted to make sure that I did this justice. I have never played Kingdom Hearts before, but I know that a lot of you have. and I know that I wanted to make sure that I was doing it the utmost justice. So just take a look and see how much care that I took to use the exact right colors. I'm using the Arteza Mica powders. I have the entire set and they are absolutely brilliant, and yeah, I'm so glad that I had just every single perfect color. Let me tell you, I was so happy with the way that this key turned out, but it is incredibly fragile. So I had to make sure that I domed it on the front and on the back as well, and even put a little face on the star, and I even put the little leaf next to it as well, because that's how it looked in the picture that I saw. It's all about the details. So next I made some iridescent wings, and I did actually end up backing these with white UV resin as well, because I wanted them to look a little bit more opaque. And I attached the key to the front of the tarot card. I had to do this very slowly, bit by bit, just to make sure that all the very fragile pieces were on securely before I went ahead and gave it a full dome. By the way, if any of you actually got the Kingdom Hearts box from Sophie and Toffee, please do let me know in the comments what you plan to make with it. Let me know if you are excited to use it, if you are going to make anything that you can wear, or if you're going to just be using it to make some gifts for your friends. I'm really interested to know, and thank you all for actually letting me know more about Kingdom Hearts, because I think it's definitely a game that I would love to play. After putting on some finishing touches, some cute little moons, some little stars and some little golden dots, we are done. I am so in love with the way that this piece turned out. I cannot believe the sparkle. I mean, just wow. I wish I didn't have to send it off, but I'm glad that it's going to a lovely home. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.